Searching how to add line items to your HubSpot deals, but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Watch this quick video guide on adding line items to HubSpot deals using the Liner app by 4CRMs. Ready? Let's then get started. So why choose Liner app? The Liner Add Line Item app allows users to effortlessly add line items to existing deals or make bulk updates to line items even after the deal has been established. Before you get started to work with the app, make sure you've got your workflow ready to go in HubSpot. To get started with Liner, you'll need to set up your workflow and then add the app to it. Once you're in your workflow, set your deal enrollment trigger. This is how you'll decide which deals will have line items added to them. With your trigger set, click Add and scroll down to Integrated Apps. Find Liner, then select Add Line Item to Deal. Now it's time to fill in the line item details: SKU, name, description, quantity, price, and currency. Optional fields include SKU, name, and price. Once you're happy with the details, click the Save button. Now, the Liner action has been successfully configured in your workflow. Almost done. Your last step is to review the workflow details to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, hit Publish to make your workflow live. You've now successfully added line items to your deals using the Liner app. Remember, you can always revisit and update your settings to fine-tune your workflows for maximum efficiency. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to check out more helpful tips on our channel to get the most out of Liner.